Most AI money systems fail, not because AI doesn't work, but because people are given tools instead of systems. So the real question is AI Cash Clone just another AI tool or an actual income system? Let's break it down honestly. Here's the truth nobody talks about. Most people fail online because too many tools, too many steps, too many decisions, too much learning before earning. AI Cash Clone tries to solve one problem only: execution paralysis. AI Cash Clone is not a magic button. It's a pre-built AI income framework where the structure already exists. AI handles repetitive work. You focus only on execution. Think. System first, effort second. Here's the simplified flow beginners follow. Log in. Activate. AI-powered setup. Add minimal customization. AI handles content plus monetization. You focus on traffic, no tech skills, no product creation, no complex funnels. This works best for people who want online income but hate complexity, have failed with courses before, want leverage, not hustle, can follow simple instructions. Let me be very clear. Do not buy this if you want guaranteed money. You won't take action. You expect zero effort. You want full developer-level control. AI accelerates work. It doesn't replace discipline. Most AI tools give you prompts, features, dashboards. AI Cash Clone gives you infrastructure monetization, logic, execution clarity. That's a massive difference. Let's keep it real. This will not make you rich overnight, replace effort completely, but it can save months of learning, reduce mistakes, speed up income setup. Consistency over 30 to 60 days matters. Short answer: yes. Why? AI adoption is accelerating. Automation demand is increasing. Simple systems outperform complex ones. This is aligned with where the internet is going. If you want less confusion, more structure, AI-powered leverage, then AI Cash Clone is worth checking out. Click the affiliate link in the description. Don't rely on opinions. See the system yourself. The link is below.